Hey, the sports stuff. So today, we're going to be going on Lake Cumberland to do some fishing and houseboat stuff. Here we go. Alright, so while we're in Lake Cumberland, I'm going to be using these Senko baits. So we're going to use that. And then these two, this helps me. It's got the two things inside to attract bass. And hopefully stripers. And then I have the black clear, which really helps. I've caught a ton of fish with that. And I have some other baits that I'm going to use, but... Alright, and then my fishing pole also has 10-pound line on it, just in case we get any monsters. So hopefully that'll work, and no fish will break me off. Need the sports stuff. So today, it's early morning, 6 o'clock in Michigan on Thursday, and we're going to be going to Kentucky in the truck. So, let's eat it. Okay, so we just made it to Indiana. It was too fast for me to take a picture, but we made it to Indiana, and we just got to a rest stop, checked it out, and still gotta get to Kentucky. We're gonna have a ton of fun when we get there.
They wanna touch a little solid gold. When you're classic, when you start it all, you ain't never ever getting old. The original.
So we made it to their marina, and we gotta go rent our boat now, and we'll be there in a sec. Alright boys, so right now we're in the dinghy. We're riding to the houseboat. And we'll still be on the houseboat so I can give a better tour, and maybe we'll do some fishing, who knows? Lake Cumberland is just awesome already. It's gonna be a fun time. So we made it to the boat. We're on the boat. You know, we got the slide over there, cousins and everything. Everybody's here. We got a party rolling. We've got a dinghy. If you don't know what a dinghy is, it's a small blow-up boat that has an engine. And then we've got that spot up there. I'm pretty much going to give you a tour, but that's the driving spot at the top. There's also another one down below. The hot tub, we can't use it though because something broke or something. We're going to get a refund on that. But yeah, it's going to be awesome. So, yeah.
Okay, so now we are heading down the stairs because we were just up there. And I'm going to go show you the down part. So now that we're down, there's a sliding glass door that you can head into. That's the front where we will pull out. And then now we're in the back part. That's where the dinghy is, and that's where we're towing it. And then that's the inside of the sliding glass door from the back. This is a master bedroom with that's a TV, and that is some closet space and stuff that you can put your stuff in. And that's another entry, so if people are sleeping, you can go through that way. This is another, these are two beds, so that's a queen bed, and that's another queen bed in there. A little bit of storage, not much though. And then you head in here, this is a bathroom, so there's two bathrooms in here. It's got a toilet, obviously, and it has a shower. And now we're gonna head over to another bed. This is another queen bed. Some closet space, and yeah, and then we head over to another bathroom. That's another toilet, sink, and shower, and they do come with toilet paper and soap. So, if you want to bring some, you can. And yeah, there's a closet space. Alright, and then here's some more closet space for the toilet paper and everything. And then we head over more to the hallway, head to another bedroom. This is the queen bedroom. It has a lot of closet space, just like the other one we just visited. It is a nice room over too. That's where the bathroom was. And then this is the counter with the stove and the sink and all the other accessories that you would need. And then here's another one. And then here is the bed. This is where I will be sleeping with my cousin. It does have closet space a little bit over there on that side. And we just put our bags up there because we didn't know that there was storage. And we're going to go back up. And then here's the counter. That is the counter. And there's a fridge over there. There's 6 chairs. So there's the freezer and fridge.
Black leather forever.
gonna go fishing. I'll get some videos. Now if we're gonna catch anything, but stay tuned till the end. We're still gonna be fishing, boys. Maybe we'll catch a monster striper. Maybe we'll catch a musk. Probably won't catch anything, but suck at fishing. But anyways, another day with some fishing. Another day with the sports stuff. Today we are doing more fishing. We're gonna go to a new spot today. So just doing some fishing. So yeah. Go! Go! Oh, that had to hurt. Go!
Ready? Yeah?
You're bow heavy. There we go. Hey, the sports stuff back with me in the morning. I got 3 lines in the water right now trying to get a massive catfish. So we're just trying right now. So I'm gonna reel this line in and I'm gonna show you what I got so far. So I got this really cool colored fish. I found it. I don't know what it is. Comment down below if you know what it is. Pretty cool, right? Driving the boat right now. Wee-hoo!
Coming close, they're all just reaching for a piece of you.